Hello, and welcome to Maths and English at Eastbourne campus, East Sussex College Group. My name is Sandra Archer-Simmons and I'm the Head of Curriculum for the Maths and English Resit programme here at the college. I know that you're all going to be working really hard to make sure that you get your Maths and English whilst you're at school, but just in case for any reason that doesn't happen, we have a full programme here at the college to be able to support you to get your qualifications while you're here on whatever course it is that you choose to do. We have a wonderful setup here at the college. We're based very centrally as part of the whole campus, and we have a dedicated team of staff here at the college to be able to help you to get your qualifications in Maths and English. So I'd like to introduce you to some of the team that we have here today. John is going to tell you all about GCSE Maths first of all, and then Barbarina is going to tell you all about GCSE English. And at the end of the video we have our colleague Jane who's going to tell you all about our wellbeing support.
Hi, I'm John and I'm one of the GCSE Maths teachers here. I want to talk to you a little bit today about studying with us here for your GCSE in Maths. We use something called the Essential 8, which is in use all over the UK, and it's a programme that we produced which is looking at mastering maths and how you can become masters of the things that you need to pass your GCSE. So when you study here with us, it's nothing like it was at school. We teach you 8 main things, and those 8 main things are the things that you need to pass your GCSE in the most efficient way you can. Our class sizes are smaller from what you've seen before. The way in which we deliver our lessons are different from what you've seen before. And we're here really to make sure that the experience you have is the best it can possibly be. We really look forward to seeing you.
Hello, I'm Barbarina and I'm one of the teachers here at college, and I'm here with my 4 fantastic colleagues to teach you GCSE English. We have some wonderful learning resources which include Dracula and Frankenstein, and we look at lots of subjects that will really help you to pass your GCSE and help you in the future to get all the jobs and go to university or colleges of your choice. So I look forward to you coming to the college to work with us.
Hello, I'm Jane. I work for Wellbeing within the Maths and English area. I'm here to explain any issues you may have around your timetables, anything you don't understand, explain where your classrooms are and introduce you to your Maths and English tutors. I'm an additional point of contact for you, so if you have anything you'd like to come and discuss, please feel free to come and find me.
Thanks for joining us today. I hope that we've given you a little insight into the Maths and English department here at the college. If you have any further questions, then please feel free to contact us or go to the ESCG website. We look forward to seeing you soon.